Hello, Joy. Bravo 4 is fat and happy to fly behind you.
Copy.
Okay, first day, Nephi. Full of water. This is my first day flying Nephi. Joy, 5 more knots, please. Okay, land straight ahead. That was actually kind of a exciting launch.
Tango, copy, Tango, pop. Yeah,
Because
good to see you, buddy.
boy, he pulled up and I was just kind of wallowing there, full and heavy. I should have called for 5 more knots, actually a little bit sooner. So that was actually my bad, not his bad at all.
Got a collider low over the cap and the road.
So that's him hitting a little thermal right there.
Alright, I'm fine.
Joy, 5 more knots, please. Joy, plus 5 knots.
5 more.